Purushottam Das Tandon, the stalwart of Indian independence and language movement. Purushottam Das Tandon, born on August 1, 1882, in Allahabad, British India, was a prominent Indian freedom fighter, social reformer, and political leader. Known as Rajarshi for his saintly demeanor and regal leadership, Tandon played a crucial role in the Indian independence movement and was a strong advocate for the promotion of Hindi as the national language of India. His contributions to the nation, particularly in the realms of language policy and social reforms, have left a lasting legacy. Early life and education. 1. Family background. Purushottam Das Tandon was born into a prosperous Kayastha family. His father, Gauri Shankar Tandon, was a government official, and his mother, Durga Devi, was a devout homemaker. The family's strong cultural and spiritual values greatly influenced Tandon's upbringing. Though education. Tandon received his early education in Allahabad, where he attended the Kayastha Pathshala. He later graduated from Muir Central College, Allahabad, and went on to earn a law degree from the University of Allahabad. His academic background and exposure to various intellectual circles played a significant role in shaping his political and social consciousness. Early activism and political involvement. 1. Initial engagement. Tandon's involvement in the independence movement began during his college years. He was deeply inspired by the speeches of leaders like Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Mahatma Gandhi. He joined the Indian National Congress, Inc., and actively participated in the non-cooperation movement, 1920-1922, led by Gandhi. Though legal practice, as a lawyer, Tandon was known for his integrity and commitment to justice. He often took up cases for the poor and marginalized, reflecting his deep sense of social responsibility. His legal practice also provided him with a platform to engage with political leaders and freedom fighters. Role in the independence movement. 1. Key contributions. Tandon was an ardent supporter of Gandhian principles and played a vital role in various movements against British rule. He was actively involved in the civil disobedience movement, 1930-1934, and the Quit India movement, 1942, and during imprisonment multiple times for his participation in these campaigns. Though leadership in the Congress, Tandon held several important positions within the Indian National Congress. He was elected president of the Uttar Pradesh Congress Committee and later served as the president of the All India Congress Committee, AICC, in 1950. His tenure as AICC president was marked by his firm stance on promoting Hindi as the national language. Advocacy for Hindi. 1. Language movement. One of Tandon's most significant contributions was his advocacy for Hindi as the national language of India. He believed that Hindi, spoken by a majority of Indians, should be the primary medium of communication and education. His efforts were instrumental in the inclusion of Hindi as the official language in the Indian Constitution. Though Sanskritized Hindi, Tandon was a proponent of a more Sanskritized form of Hindi, which he believed would help in preserving Indian culture and heritage. His stance often brought him into conflict with leaders who favored a more inclusive approach to language policy, but he remained steadfast in his beliefs. Social reforms and legacy. 1. Commitment to social justice. Beyond his political career, Tandon was deeply committed to social reforms. He worked towards the upliftment of marginalized communities and was a strong advocate for women's rights and education. His efforts in promoting literacy and social equality earned him widespread respect. Though recognition and honors. In recognition of his contributions to the nation, Tandon was awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, in 1961. His legacy continues to inspire generations of leaders and activists committed to the ideals of justice, equality, and national unity. Personal life and character. 1. Family and personal values. Tandon married Vidyavati, and the couple had 4 children. Despite his busy political life, he remained deeply connected to his family and was known for his simplicity and humility. His personal values of honesty, integrity, and dedication to service were evident in all aspects of his life. Though spiritual inclinations, Tandon was deeply spiritual and drew inspiration from Indian scriptures and philosophy. His spiritual outlook influenced his approach to politics and social service, earning him the epithet Rajarshi, saintly king. Purushottam Das Tandon's life and work exemplify a deep commitment to the ideals of freedom, social justice, and cultural pride. As a freedom fighter, his relentless efforts contributed significantly to India's independence. As a leader and social reformer, his advocacy for Hindi and his dedication to social equality have left an enduring impact on Indian society. Tandon's legacy as a principled and visionary leader continues to inspire and guide future generations in their pursuit of a just and equitable society.